Stop overthinking. Start doing. Your guide to action. Are you paralyzed by perfectionism? Do you spend more time planning than doing? Let's break free from overthinking and unlock your potential. Overthinking is a common struggle. It's that endless loop of what ifs and self-doubt that keeps you stuck. You're not alone. Many professionals, students, and entrepreneurs face this daily. Perfectionism fuels this cycle. The fear of failure or not meeting expectations can be crippling. Remember, progress is better than perfection. Start small. Break down large tasks into manageable steps. Focus on the first step, not the entire journey. Set realistic goals. Avoid overwhelming yourself with unrealistic expectations. Celebrate small wins to build momentum. Challenge your negative thoughts. Replace "I can't" with "I'll try." Reframe mistakes as learning opportunities. Take action, even if it's imperfect. Remember, done is better than perfect. Momentum builds with each step you take. It's okay to feel anxious or overwhelmed. Acknowledge your feelings, but don't let them control you. You are capable and resilient. Believe in yourself and your ability to learn and grow. Every small step forward is a victory. Ready to ditch the overthinking and embrace action? Start today. Share this video with someone who needs it and comment below with one small step you'll take this week to break free from overthinking. Let's build a community of action takers.